Hello everyone, welcome to Creative Learning video. Today we will learn about cosmos. As you know, the cosmos is universe. Using the word cosmos rather than the universe means to see the universe as an orderly system. Cosmos is originally a Greek word that means both order and the world. Because the ancient Greeks thought that the world was perfectly in order in all respects. And the segment we are doing today is related to this subject are kaleidoscope and the phases of moon or lunar phases. Let's start with kaleidoscope. For this you will need a kitchen roll, mirror card or foil glued on card, small colorful transparent objects, scissors, scale, pencil, eraser, paper to decorate, transparent sheet, black sheet and glue. Kaleidoscope is an optical instrument with two or more reflecting surfaces tilted to each other at a certain angle. It is a tube containing mirrors and loose bits of colored material such as glass and plastic inside at one end that you see many different patterns when you move the tube while looking in through the other end. It is an optical toy for producing symmetrical patterns by multiple reflections. A wide variety of objects, small figures, and material of different colors and shapes can be used in object cells. The word kaleidoscope is taken from ancient Greek word kalos, which means beautiful or beauty, eidos means form, and skopio means to look. Hence observation of beautiful forms. David Brewster, a Scottish inventor, invented kaleidoscope on 10th 1817. The principle used in the kaleidoscope is law of reflection. Kaleidoscope produces beautiful patterns because of reflection of light. A kaleidoscope is used as a toy for entertainment. It is a tube with reflecting surfaces with colored pieces of glass in it. When you rotate the tube, symmetrical images are created which appears as if it is universe. Our next segment is the phases of moon or lunar phases. Moon is the brightest and the most noticeable object in the night sky. But if you observe, you will notice that the moon is never quite the same from one night to the next, which means it changes the shape a little bit every day, and we call it phases. As we all know that moon orbits around the earth and the earth orbits around the sun. Everything is moving. The moon does not shine, it reflects. It does not have any light of its own. When the moon is between the earth and the sun, we cannot see the moon at all. It appears completely dark and we call it new moon. After some days, we can see some part of moon. This phase is called waxing crescent. Because waxing means growing as our moon starts growing from here. About a week after the new moon, we can see half of the moon. This is called first quarter. The first quarter moon is sometimes called the half moon. 2 or 3 days after first quarter, more than half of the moon is visible and it is called waxing gibbous. After this, we see the full moon. The full moon is the biggest, brightest and the easiest phase of moon to see. After the full moon, the moon starts waning. Waning means shrinking or becoming smaller. Now moon starts its return journey. This phase is called waning gibbous. The next phase is another half moon. Sometimes it's called last or final quarter. This phase is called third quarter. Now the moon is losing its light. This is called waning crescent. And the cycle repeats again. This cycle repeats once in a month and the moon takes around 29 days to revolve around the earth. These changing shapes of the moon are called phases of the moon. And the amount of moon we see changes over the month, which are known as lunar phases. Thank you.